Go on then. Yeah. Did they really? And the biggest was 10.5 pounds. That's not bad, is it? Yeah. Hiya. Hey, alright. When I was building these houses here, one of the boys come out and done some spinning on the corner. He got a 24.5 pounder. Yeah, I worked there. Yeah? Yeah, I used to spin every lunchtime. The one you got it, was it? No, not 24.